Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning glossy black text effect in Adobe Photoshop. First click on the adjustment layer and create a gradient. Click the gradient bar, open the basics folder, and choose foreground to transparent. The style is radial, the angle is 90 degree. Make sure reverse is checked. I'll increase the scale. Then press OK. Open your horizontal type tool. Open your Move tool. Drag your text to a position you like. Decrease the fill to 0%. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select Bevel and Emboss. The style is inner bevel. The technique is chisel hard. The depth is 303%. The size is 10 pixel. The soften is 0 pixel. Make sure use global light is checked. The angle is 120 degree. The altitude is 30 degree. The highlight mode is color dodge. The highlight color is white. The opacity is 80%. The shadow mode is multiply. The shadow color is black, and the opacity is 80%. Select stroke. The size is 16 pixel. The position is inside. The blend mode is normal. Open the fill type list and select gradient. Click the gradient bar. Then press OK. The style is linear. Make sure Align with Layer is checked. Select Inner Glow. Click the color box. The blend mode is color dodge. The opacity is 40%. The noise is 0%. The technique is softer. The source is edge. The choke is 0%. The size is 10 pixel. Select Saturn. The blend mode is color burn. The color is black. The opacity is 50%. The angle is 100 degree. The distance is 8 pixel. The size is 0 pixel. Select Gradient Overlay. Click the gradient bar, open the Basics folder, and choose Black and White preset. Click below the gradient bar to add a color stop. Type in 50% for its location. Click the color box and for brightness, type in 70%. Then press OK. Click the lower right stop. And for the location, type in 90%. Click the color box again, and for brightness, type in 45%. Click the lower left stop to create this tiny icon in the middle. Drag it to the right as far as it'll go. Make another stop. And for the location, type in 35%. Click the color box and for the brightness this time, type in 45%. Make another stop. And for its location, type in 20%. Click the color box. And for brightness, type in 40%. Then press OK on both windows. The blend mode is normal. The opacity is 100%. The style is linear. Make sure Align with Layer is checked. Select Drop Shadow. The blend mode is multiply. The color is black. The opacity is 60%. Make sure Use Global Light is checked. The angle is 120 degree. The distance is 10 pixel. The spread is 0%. The size is 18 pixel. Click the plus icon to create drop shadow. I'll increase the distance to 30 pixel. Create one more. Drop shadow. I'll increase the distance to 61 pixel. Then press OK, and this is the result.